Photoshop is a tool-based application. You have to select the right tool and the appropriate settings before you perform an action. By default, the Photoshop toolbar comes set with rich tooltips. These are either really helpful or really annoying. To turn them off, do Edit, Preferences, Tools, then check or uncheck Show Rich Tooltips. To customize the toolbar, do Edit, Toolbar. Click Restore Defaults to bring back all the tools. To help ensure that you have the correct tool, set your status bar to Show Current Tool. Most tools have keyboard shortcuts. Typing that key on the keyboard will activate the tool. Careful, this can cause you to change tools accidentally. Also, if you're using the Type tool to add text, the text you type will not change the tool. There are shortcuts that let you temporarily change tools. When you are zoomed in, holding the spacebar temporarily selects the Hand tool, which will let you drag to move around the image. Generally, the Shift key will transform your tool to Add, like when you have a selection and you want to add to it. Conversely, the Alt or Option key will transform your tool to Subtract.